We have seen skew lines. Two lines in space which are neither parallel nor intersecting are skew lines. Skew lines, they are always non-coplanar. Next article. Distance between skew lines. If we know position vector of one point on a line, suppose position vector of point on a line is A bar and line is parallel to B bar, then equation of line in vector form is R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Now here we have to consider two lines which are skew lines. Now here we can observe that two lines, they are looking that they are going to intersect each other. But we have shown non-coplanar lines on a plane. Paper is a plane figure. So non-coplanar figures cannot be exactly shown on the paper. Suppose point on one line is A. Its position vector we shall denote by A1 bar. Point on another line, suppose it is point B. Its position vector A2 bar. These two lines, they are neither parallel nor intersecting. Suppose this is a line which is parallel to vector B1 bar. Another line parallel to vector B2 bar. Then equations of lines in vector form. R bar equal to A1 bar plus lambda B1 bar. Equation of another line passing through point B. R bar equal to A2 bar plus mu B2 bar. Now two lines are different, so their scalar multiples we have taken by different notations, lambda and mu. On these two lines, there are 2 points, P and Q. These are the 2 points present on two lines such that line passing through these 2 points, it is perpendicular to both the lines. Now skew lines are there, so distance between two lines, it is not same, it is changing. We get minimum distance, that is shortest distance, which is length PQ. So shortest distance between two lines. And here PQ is shortest distance because PQ is perpendicular to both the lines. And PQ is length, so it cannot be negative. So we have to write that in mod sign. It is given by mod in bracket A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 bar cross B2 bar divided by magnitude of B1 bar cross B2 bar. If we join segment AB, AB bar, A initial point, B terminal point. This is vector in space and it is expressed as position vector of terminal point minus position vector of initial point. So A2 bar minus A1 bar, it is nothing but AB bar. Subtraction of two vectors is a vector quantity. So A2 bar minus A1 bar, it is one vector. B1 bar and B2 bar, these are the two more vectors. Here dot and cross product is there. means numerator is scalar triple product. Now here equations of lines, they are in vector form. Instead of that, consider two skew lines. Suppose we know coordinates of 1 point each on every line. A, x1, y1, z1. On another line, point B, coordinates x2, y2, z2. Suppose direction ratios of one line a1, b1, c1, direction ratios of another line a2, b2, c2. Here also there are 2 points on 2 lines such that line passing through them is perpendicular to both these lines. So PQ, it gives minimum distance between two lines, which is known as shortest distance. So equations of two lines in Cartesian form: x minus x1 upon a1 equal to y minus y1 upon b1 equal to z minus z1 upon c1. Equation of other line passing through point B: x minus x2 upon a2 equal to y minus y2 upon b2 z minus z2 upon c2. Numbers in denominator, they are direction ratios of line, and second term in numerator, it is nothing but coordinates of point on the line. Now shortest distance between two lines, it is given by the formula. Shortest distance never negative, so in mod sign. In numerator, in determinant, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, divided by under root b1 c2 minus b2 c1 square plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square plus in bracket a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. In determinant, observe first row x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Now they represent direction ratios of AB. So if we know coordinates of 1 point on each line and direction ratios of lines, then we can find shortest distance between two skew lines. If lines are intersecting, it means that shortest distance is 0. Shortest distance 0 means value of ratio 0. Value of ratio 0 means numerator 0. If lines are intersecting, then we get determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 equal to 0. Next article: distance between parallel lines. in between parallel lines, wherever we find distance between them, it is same, constant. Suppose on one line, point A, whose position vector a1 bar, on another line, point B, position vector a2 bar. Both the lines are parallel. They are parallel to vector b bar. We have to find distance between parallel lines. For that, from point B, draw perpendicular to another line. Suppose point M, foot of the perpendicular. Now shortest distance between these two lines, it is given by mod a2 bar minus a1 bar cross b cap. B cap is a unit vector along b bar, or same can be written mod a2 bar minus a1 bar cross b bar divided by magnitude of b bar. If we know position vectors of 2 points on 2 lines and a vector parallel to 2 lines, then we can find distance between parallel lines. Now let us consider example. Find shortest distance between two lines. Equations of lines are given. R bar equal to 4i minus j plus lambda into bracket I plus 2j minus 3k. Equation of another line. R bar equal to I minus j minus 2k plus mu into bracket I plus 4j minus 5k. Two lines are there. 4i minus j, it is position vector of one point on first line. Let us denote it by a1 bar. So a1 bar 4i minus j. Coefficient of lambda in bracket, it is a vector which is parallel to first line. Let us denote it by b1 bar. I plus 2j minus 3k. For second line, this is position vector of one point on the line. We shall denote it by a2 bar. a2 bar I minus j minus 2k. Coefficient of mu, it is a vector parallel to second line. b2 bar I plus 4j minus 5k. Now here we can observe that these two lines, they are not parallel. First line parallel to b1 bar. Then direction ratios of first line or b1 bar, coefficients of ijk 1, 2, minus 3. Direction ratios of b2 bar, coefficients of ijk 1, 4, minus 5. We can observe that these numbers, they are not proportional. Their ratios of direction ratios, they are not equal. It means that given two lines, they are not parallel. So we have to find distance between, that is shortest distance between skew lines, and it is given by mod a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar divided by magnitude of B1 bar cross B2 bar.